Welcome once again to Registered Resident Occupant. And it's time to see what is in the pack. And what this is a high-tech pack. And from my bring back, I say it's about 2,400 cubic inch. And this is my utility pack as it is. I use this for all kinds of things. It does have some debris, some scuff marks, some sticky food or whatever it is on there. I've had this pack for over a year. You can see it's a thick thing. And if I put my hand up here, you can see how my hand compares to that. It's said to be about 2,400 cubic inch. And I can bring over this, look at it this way over here, and I can set it up like this, and it's got a padded back, and here's my hand that occurred there. And you go in the inch hand condition, as if it was an inch warm, and that's about that many number in hand. And as I say, tip of the thumb to the tip of the finger being about 8.5 inches. And what we have in this portion in the pack are these handles here, in case you wanted to have a condition carrying a pizza or something, and that can be carried in that way. These things here, reflector pads. And what we have here is we open up our main compartment here, and in this I have what's said to be a plastic paper casing. And what this is it's a protective cover, and I've got some papers in there and some books and things, and it's just a distributor casing that has my paperwork that I do some paper distribution with together, I was trying to say. And then here is and also in this compartment is a notebook that occurred, and it's got various things in there also. And as it is, the sheet music is in this particular day. And then I also have what's said to be this paper notebook in here, and it's said to be some sheet music also. And then I have this other thing that's in here, and this is it's an envelope, and it's some listing, and this is KTRY Music Appreciation Radio 300 song listing that I have there in that particular compartment. And so then I can open up my other compartment in this, and at the top here, what I have there is my Unite Pro, and that gives me my Wi-Fi service, and I can take this out, and here it is, my Unite Pro casing there, and that's got my Unite Pro in it. And then I also have in this compartment two HD6s, Volume 1 and Volume 2. And then also in there I've got my gauntlet that I can do some streaming together, local access network only. And I also have the condition that gauntlet doing backup to application and program that I have. And then if I go to another compartment here, here's another compartment I have, and this is an HD8 that I have, and that's another condition that's said to be a volume 2 of a particular volume set, and I use that intermittently about once a week when I go to the assembly building. And also I have in this compartment here a very nice stylus that I use with my tablet. This is a Miko 3-in-1, and it's got two different stylus conditions. Also has what's said to be a ballpoint pen that's included in the thing. And it fits nicely in the hand, and when it's held like this, and that clip is above the hand position, so it's not abrasing near the knuckle there. Compared to this stylus, which is smaller, if I hold it like this, you can see that clip then occurs an abrasion near the knuckle there. So I have to be careful with this one. This is kind of my backup stylus, and kind of the first kind that I had purchased, but I found a better one. And then what I have is another compartment. And in this compartment, I can put envelopes in here. And presently, I have a postcard, and my postcards fit in here. And an envelope can fit in here. If I want to have this key tier Y envelope and in my distributor condition, then that envelope fits into this particular location there. And it's an envelope for an 8.5 by 11 stack in paper that can go in there. Zipping this back up. And then what I have is this compartment here. And that's the high-tech condition. And that's the name of the pack, the high-tech pack. And this is just some snack that I have. That's 1 cup in snack, and here's another cup in snack. And then I have another cup in snack. Here's 3 cup in snack. And then I have a 4th cup in snack. But each one of these cups is about 1 1/4 cup in capacity. I place about 1 cup in a combination proportion 1-to-1 peanut and raisin in these, in case I need some snack food while I'm out. And then this here I have what's said to be some water. This is club soda, and it's kind of it's a 8-ounce condition in case I'm at assembly and I get thirsty. Then I've got this water bottle to have something to drink. And so that is the statement in my distributor pack, and I take the thing whenever I leave my residence. I take my pack together with me so that I have those things to share together with others and to take the informationals in that I'm collecting myself. And so that's another time in registered resident occupant.